Hey, welcome back to my den. Today we have a mail call from Mr. Mike Espo. Let's go ahead and get it open and see what we got. Here you have a letter. And it looks like parts of cars. Let's see here. Hi Jim, I want to thank you again for the 3 custom builds that you made for my collection. Please find 2 customs in this box that I made for you. Enjoy. I always say any day that you get cars in the mail is a great day. Yes, it is, Mike. Mike Espo, God bless. Well, thank you, Mike. Didn't have to do that, but I wanted to be part of your collection, so... Ooh. Haha. Nice. I like that pink color. Getting ready to do another paint pink build right after I get done with this. I wanted to do one more. But it's going to be a little more involved than the last one I did. Ooh, that's the convertible you were making. That's sick. Oh, how did you do those hubcap covers? You had to let me in on the secret on those, because yeah, I've been looking and looking for some rims like that and can't find them anywhere, so. But yeah, very nice. I may have to start my own little Hirohata Merc collection now. See, you rubbed off on me. Beautiful, beautiful job. Thank you very much, Mike. These will be going in my collection, along with the American flag. Prop him in there for now. But yeah, those are beautiful. What was this? What is in here? Oh, that's cool. Little skull. You can tell he pays attention to stuff I do, because yeah, I love little skulls. I put them on a lot of stuff that I do. Basically any gasolines that I do almost always has a skull on it somewhere. But yeah, that's a nice size one. That's awesome. It's going up on my shelf right here. Alrighty. Well, that is our mail call today. Thank you very much, Mr. Espo. If you guys haven't checked him out already, please, by all means, go check out Mike. Although I imagine if you are watching my stuff, you know who he is by now. He's a lot more famous than I am. But yeah, I enjoyed making ones for his collection. Tried to do some different ones. Unfortunately, we had a mail incident on one of them. The bubble wrap that I put around it actually melted into the paint because it was so hot. So he had to fix that one, so I turned around and sent him another one after that. So, but yeah, now I got a couple of his too. That's what this community is all about. That's one of the things I love about the community, is exchanging cars with other creators. You know, we all back each other up. We have each other's back. Alrighty, and until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.